Hello and welcome to everybody. I'm Mary and you are watching one more video from Hyperpix Productions channel. And in this video I'm going to introduce one more of our latest products from our new collection, which is a text effect from 18th century, which it's one of our latest products which we have tried to use the latest techniques and latest colors compared to the other products, and I think we have been successful and our designers have done great. They have put so many hours and work on this product, so you'll be able to use it with no trouble without needing to use any knowledge in Photoshop and just get to this brilliant style on your text and logos with a single click. So like all of our other products, it also works on every other single language. This is how it works on Japanese. Just check out the perfect and exact details which it has. So there's no limits with the font or with the languages, so you don't need to have any worries and you're going to have so much fun working with this product. So also this is how it works on a logo. As you see, it's magnificent, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can work with this product, so just follow me to the end of this video. But just before we get started, there's one thing: if you haven't joined our YouTube channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell at the side so you don't miss out on our latest and upcoming videos. We're going to have so many free and premium products and updates in future which you're going to get so much surprise and love them. So don't forget to like the video and let's get started. So first of all, as usual, we just need to right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. So in this page that opens right here, we have our text layers. So to not take the time of the video, I'm just going to go with the same style and just change my text, but don't forget to customize and edit to your likings. So I'm just going to type the first text just like this. Perfect. As you see, the style is applied automatically, so we do the same thing with the second text and just type, and brilliant. So I'm just going to drag it towards this side a little. So if you just double click on this icon right here from this pattern overlay, you can also adjust and drag the pattern to wherever you want. So you also have control in that, but just you don't need to do anything extra. My text is perfect. I just need to close the page, select save, and just wait a moment till my style is applied. And here we go, we have our brilliant result right here. We didn't do anything difficult, and just check out our 3D effect and our shadow. So let's get started with the other layers. First of all, we have the adjustments folder, which is the settings. For the color, brightness and contrast, unlock it first of all. So we have the vignette option, which is excellent. It's the inner shadow, as you see in our scene, which you can just increase or just remove. We have the noise folder finally, which is the noise in our background and covering all of our style. We have the text folder right here, which contains our free text right here, these two little texts at the bottom as well, which you can just drag them and just apply them wherever you want. Also, we have this text at the bottom right here, which you can just select this icon and double click and type anything you have in mind instead. For instance, I'm going to just type your text here, for example, and brilliant. So also you can place it wherever you want or just remove it. The same with this text over here, which you can just edit, which I'm not going to get started with it. So we have the effects folder, which contains the main style and main layers. We have the extrusion, which is the 3D effect and depth, which you can just switch it off. And as you see, our text isn't 3D anymore, it's just a simple text. Also, we have our shadow folder right here, which you can just switch it off or just go with it. I think it looks much more pretty with them two folders on, so I'm just going to keep them on. So we have our shape and triangle in the background right here, which you can just switch it off or just customize like all the other layers. And finally, we have our background folders, which is the adjustments, which has the brightness and contrast settings, the palm trees in the background, which you can just move their place, the little city in the background, and everything is in separate layers, so you don't need to worry about anything, and you can have a complete control on every single item. So we're done with the style right here. I'm sure you learned everything. Now let's go and test on a logo and check out the results. So we come back to this window right here, and I'm going to insert my logo. So we just select our logo, we're just going to drag into our Photoshop and just drop right here. I'm going to use our Nike logo. So all we need to do right now is just convert the style from the text to our logo. What we need to do is just hold left click on this icon and drag onto our logo layer, just like this, and drag and drop, and done. As you see, our style is applied to our logo from the text. I just need to remove my text, I don't need it anymore. Just click on this icon one more time, select pattern overlay, adjust it where you think is excellent. I think it's great right here. Just select OK, click save, and here we go. This is our absolutely professional and brilliant result. We just need to customize a little, place this text right here as I have done, and done. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So to access this product, all you need to do is just join our VIP channel in Hyperpix. The link is in the description of this video. So by joining Hyperpix, you can access this product and every other single product we have. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe our YouTube channel, and share us with your friends. Bye till one more video.